Is your Fittonia looking more sad than stunning? Professional Fittonia cultivars follow 3 critical care secrets that turn struggling Fittonia plants into such a beautiful bushy beauties. And I'm going to revealing all these 3 tips. So watch till the end for better understanding. Let's dive in. The secret number 1. Light exposure is the game changer for maintaining that compact bushy shape everyone wants. Here is where most people get it wrong. Fittonias are widely misunderstood as low-light indoor plants, but the truth is, they actually need 4 to 5 hours of bright indirect light every single day to truly thrive and develop that healthy bushy growth. This beauty right here receives about 1 hour of gentle dappled morning sunlight, but then gets bright indirect light for 4 to 5 hours throughout the day. That's the sweet spot. Now, if you are growing your Fittonia in terrariums or under grow lights, aim for 200 to 500 foot candle lights for at least 12 hours daily. And here is a pro tip. For the colorful Fittonias, they need more light exposure than the green varieties for better performance and vivid coloration. Secret number 2. Maintained moisture and humidity work as absolute game changers for Fittonias, and this is what the cultivars always maintain. Remember, Fittonias are rainforest natives. They prefer humidity levels above 55%. This isn't just a nice to have. Proper humidity prevents those frustrating brown leaves and droopy appearance while ensuring those magical healthy leaf veins stay vibrant and flourishing. Since these plants love humidity, they also crave constant moisture. Here is the golden rule. Water your Fittonia as soon as top 60% of the soil feels dry, because even slight underwatering causes those dramatic wilting episodes that stress the plant. But here is what separates amateurs from pros. Choosing the right potting soil is crucial for maintaining that constant moisture. Your soil needs to be water retentive, but it can't stay soggy or waterlogged for extended periods. I actually have an entire detailed video on creating the perfect potting soil mix for Fittonias, where I balance water retentive and drainage elements perfectly. You will find that link in the description below. And secret number 3, consider pruning the tip growth. This is the professional technique that creates that enviable bushy appearance. Strategic pruning doesn't just help branch out the plant, it dramatically reduces legginess too. Here is what happens naturally. As Fittonias mature, their lower sets of leaves dry out and fall off, exposing those bare stems underneath. So, when you remove the tip growth along with some strategic side branches, you are encouraging those lower sets of leaves to shoot out new growth. The result? A fuller, bushier plant from top to bottom. So there you have it, the 3 professional secrets to a perfectly bushy Fittonia: optimal light exposure with 4 to 5 hours of bright indirect light, maintained moisture with humidity above 55%, and strategic pruning to encourage branching and fullness. If you want to learn more about the science-backed guide with detailed soil recipes, troubleshooting tips, and propagation techniques, then check our comprehensive blog post with all the research citations you need. Link in the description below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more plant expert care tips. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.